Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start on the host machine with admin rights. Enable internet connection sharing on the adapter that has internet access so your remote session can route traffic. This creates a local NAT and often assigns 192, 168, 137. 1. Once done, set the secondary adapter or virtual interface to a static IP if Windows asks, because a predictable gateway prevents routing conflicts. Make sure firewall rules allow remote desktop and that RDP is enabled. These steps let the remote client obtain internet through the host. Now configure the remote client's network so it actually uses the host gateway. Assign the remote adapter an IP in the host subnet, for example 192, 168, 137, 10, and point the default gateway to 192, 168, 137. 1. Set DNS to a reliable public resolver to avoid name resolution delays. If the remote machine runs a VPN or has another active route, change adapter metrics or disable the conflicting connection while testing. This ensures traffic. Finish by verifying and troubleshooting. From the remote session, ping the host gateway, then an external IP to confirm NAT works. If pings fail, check Windows firewall and sharing rules on the host, restart networking services, and confirm the host still provides the 192, 168, 137 X subnet, sometimes reapplying ICS or rebooting fixes stale DHCP assignments. If issues persist, use local resource redirection or run a lightweight HTTP proxy on the host and point the remote browser to it as a temporary workaround while you diagnose routing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.